The mystery of yellowing cucumbers. Are they edible or dangerous? This is what it looks like inside the skin of a cucumber that has turned yellow. The inside of the cucumber skin has changed color to yellow. There are bright yellow and dark yellow colors visible around the inner skin of the cucumber. We all love the freshness of this green and crunchy cucumber. But have you ever found the green turning yellow like this in your kitchen? What's really going on? Is it still safe to eat? Or is it hiding a secret that could make us sick? In this video, we will thoroughly examine not just the outer skin, but all the way to the deepest layers. So, why does it turn yellow? It's not the cucumber's fault. It's a natural process called late ripening. The green color of fresh cucumbers comes from a substance called chlorophyll. Over time, this chlorophyll breaks down and disappears, revealing other pigments already present within the plant. Other pigments already present in it, namely carotenoids, are yellow to orange. This process also occurs when bananas ripen from green to yellow. Now, the big question, is this color change only on the outer skin? The answer is a no. These changes occur throughout the skin. If the outer skin is yellow, it's likely that the inner skin is also affected. So, what is the actual function of this inner layer of skin? The cucumber skin, both inside and out, is like a defensive wall. They work together to protect the soft, juicy flesh from external aggressions, bumps, insects, fungi, and bacteria. They also act like a natural plastic wrap, preventing the cucumber from losing water and drying out. This inner layer of skin is also rich in fiber and nutrients. Now, here's the most critical question. If I peel off the yellow outer skin, can I eat the inner skin that's still attached? Technically, it's possible. It's not poisonous, but I highly recommend it. Yellowing cucumbers produce a compound called cucurbitacin, which is what makes them so bitter. Besides the unpleasant taste, high levels of cucurbitacin can cause digestive problems for some people, such as heartburn or even nausea. Fresh cucumbers are crisp, sweet, and refreshing. Meanwhile, the yellow ones are already starting to get soft, lacking in water, and potentially bitter. So, even though the skin is edible, why force it? Avoid eating the yellowish inner skin. Peel and discard thoroughly. Or better yet, choose cucumbers that are still fresh and green for the best benefits and flavor. Knowledge in everyday life is simple, but it can make us smarter in choosing food. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And comment below, what experiences have you had with vegetables or fruit that change color?